Welcome to my channel. Today we are getting into the Jeffree Star lip glosses. Now I got 8 shades. I did get some of the crazier shades, so if you're looking for the nude lip glosses, click off of this video. I'm super stoked because I saw them in person and I was like, I can't decide on any of these, so I'm just gonna have to get these 8 of them. So they're $18 each. The packaging is huge. So I kept the packaging of the Jeffree Star concealers, and they're basically the same size. Like, the lip gloss container is just ever so slightly bigger than the concealer. So if you really like lip glosses, you're going to love these. Here is the concealer, and here is one of the lip glosses. These lip glosses are freaking huge, okay? So Crystal Ryan gave me this idea because when I first pulled these out of the box, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't even believe how big of a lip gloss this is. So I took my Dr. Pepper can and I put it up next to it, and it's literally like bigger than my Dr. Pepper can. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. So thank you, Crystal Ryan, for giving me the idea to actually show how big these are. So these are all the shades that I got. I got some fun ones. I got a couple more live in my purse shades, but I am so excited to get into this. Now I do have Wet Peach on my lips. I have had this on for a little while. I want to get an idea of how they wore. They are pretty comfortable. I am going to be inserting some outdoor swatches because I really feel like these are pretty hard to see inside truly of what they look like. But on the swatches, I did swatch them all out, swatch them on my lips, and I also want to swatch them over lipstick. So I'm gonna start off with the lip swatches, and then I'll wear lipstick and put the lip glosses over it so that you guys can see. So I'm just gonna reapply Wet Peach. Oh yeah, you can see from my bottom lip to my top lip. I also love this applicator. That is a live in my purse shade. It's so pretty and it's pretty comfortable. This one might actually be one of my favorites just to kind of grab and go. I love glittery lip glosses and I love lip glosses in general. I just love lipsticks, and also the glitter does not really come off. I did notice that, especially with my arm swatches. Like, there's still a whole bunch of glitter on my arm. All right, next one I'm gonna try on is Ice Cold, which is so different in so many different lightings. Like in here, I feel like it looks like a silvery gold pink color. And then when I took it outside, it looked like clear gloss with like cotton candy sparkles in it. Ooh, it does have the cotton candy sparkles on your lips. Oh my gosh. Look at these cotton candy sparkles. Next up is Spank Me. Holy moly. I feel like this is gonna be another color that I'm gonna use a ton. I love this. I'm so glad I picked this up. I was a little bit iffy about this one, but I really like how it looks on the lips. Super glittery. The last glittery one, I got 4 kind of metallic glittery ones, and then 4 of the just regular glosses. This one is Safe Word. Oh my god, Safe Word is so much prettier in person. I was not expecting to get this one, but I saw it and I was like, I need that one. There are so many looks that I want to do using this lip gloss. Look at how pretty this one is. Pinky green. It's like nude but not nude. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't look like I'm wearing like a lot of color on my lips, but once you move it in the right direction, you get that like greenish gold like glimpse at the corner of your eye, and you're like, ooh. So next I'm gonna use the blue one. This one is Diet Freeze, and I'm really interested in this one. I don't know why. You know, truth be told, I might use this a heck of a lot more than I thought I would. This one actually I really do like in an odd way because it's so different. Isn't that weird? What do you guys think? What are your thoughts on the blue lip gloss? I would wear this out. Also, I have all the Blue Blood liquid lipsticks, and I feel like this lip gloss would go really well with those. And if you're interested in that video, I'll have it linked in my cards. Next, I have Dirty Royalty, which is the more lavender lip gloss. Man, it's getting so hard to see which one I like the best. Here's a bit of a close-up, give you guys an idea what it looks like on me. A lot of these lip glosses, I'm getting real, like, kind of Pat McGrath vibes from them. We're down to the last two, guys. I'm gonna start with the wearable one. So this one is I'm the Boss, and it is basically the same color as Wet Peach, but it doesn't have all the glitters in it. Ooh, that really does look peach on your lip. You guys can see what they look like. This one really does look peach. So this one is probably the most wearable one in my opinion. Let's do the one that we're all waiting for. And the one that we're all waiting for is the black Midnight Lick, what this is called. It is also like a bluish black. This one is definitely pretty hard to get even on your lips. So I'd probably suggest either wearing a light layer of this or layering it over another lipstick, because it's so hard to get it even on your lips. Y'all, I'm pretty stoked about this so far. I need my Dr. Pepper. Look how shiny these are. My lips are raw, y'all. So I do want to try out that black lipstick over Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick shade in Can't Relate. So this is Can't Relate on my lips. It's pretty nude, but it's just a little bit darker than my actual natural lip color. So I want to see if this is going to give it more of that berry tone to the liquid lipstick. That's so weird how it turns the whole lipstick into a totally different color. It's literally like a purple grayish color. All right, so now I wanted to try on the shade Diamond with Ice Cold. Ooh, Diamond is such an interesting color. I wouldn't pair it with this eye look, but you know, I put this eye look on and we're living with it. But this is the Alien palette by Jeffree Star. Now I'm gonna take Ice Cold. Really hope this doesn't ruin the wand. This is so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh. As for safe word, I want to pair it up with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick and the shade Karma. I think these two would be so pretty together. Ooh, I forgot how much I love Karma. Oh. My heart. Oh my, that is beautiful. I don't even want to put on any other lipstick combination. Do you guys see this? Look at this duochrome gold green army glitter. Oh my gosh. And for the next combination, I'm going to take Watermelon Soda. This shade is in my giveaway going on right now. I'll have that link down below. What a freaking fun, happy shade. And I'm gonna top this off with some Wet Peach. That totally gave it a new life. That is so pretty. I feel like it made this even more neon than what it actually was. Doesn't this look really neon? And the last thing that I want to try out is Jeffree Star's Lip Ammunition, and this is in the shade Baby Spice. And I'm going to top this with Spank Me. Now that's what I would use this shade for. I'm starting to get sloppy, y'all. Look at how pretty and Barbie pink this is. My lips are in pain, okay? All great and dandy while I was swatching the lip glosses, and then the second I started putting the liquid lipstick on, I'm super stoked about these lip glosses. I think these are all super pretty unique in their own ways. I mean, for some of the glittery ones, I feel like I might have a few of them that are similar The ones that are coming to mind are the Pat McGrath lip glosses, but I mean $18 versus the Pat McGrath lip glosses. I'm gonna choose Jeffree Star. So, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Oh, and before I go, now that we've done the swatches and everything, so if you're curious about the colors, you can see arm swatches, outdoor swatches, lip swatches, lipstick, lip gloss swatches. So I wanted to give a close up more of the packaging. So it has the color on the top, barcode, it says the gloss on it. But my thing is, it says 2 finishes, glitter fantasy and extreme shine. So I'm assuming all the ones are glittery. These are the glitter fantasy ones. And then these are the extreme shine. But I kind of wish like it would have it somewhere on the box in a way. Oh look, it says London on it. Oh, it was made for me, y'all. I feel so special now. And then I also wanted to give a close-up of the lip glosses. Now I don't really know what this is, but you know what this reminds me of? What is that game? The game at the casinos where they like spin the thingy and this like thing is at the bottom. That's what it looks like to me. Someone in the comments let me know what that is. And then this part on the outside is like a clear reflective, I don't know how you would describe that. So I really like these. I think the packaging is great. They're not sharp like the concealers. The concealers stabbed me a few times on the tips, so I'm glad that these are way more rounded out. They still feel really heavy and luxurious. They feel pretty cool, like if you wanted to like whip one out, put some lip gloss on by the pool, you know, you feel pretty awesome about it. And if you guys have any other requests with this lip gloss, and if you guys want to see some makeup looks with these lip glosses, please head over to my Instagram. It's just London Marshall. I will attempt to do a makeup look with one lip gloss on my Instagram page for you guys. So if you're interested in how to pair these up with different eyeshadow looks and lipsticks, then head over there. But that is it for this video. If you would like another video with these, please let me know. So I'm pretty excited about these. I will also say, when I first tried these on, they felt like they weren't as thick as Fenty Beauty glosses, but they have the same texture to them, just not as thick. Is the best way that I could describe these lip glosses. They really feel like Pat McGrath lip glosses, but just really smooth. Doesn't intensify any lines, except for maybe this light blue one. But I mean, it's light blue. What are you gonna do? All right, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. 70% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. So if you like Fenty, if you like Jeffree Star, if you like new releases, then you should subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.